Let's take a look here at publishing messages. And the most common way to work with SNS is by having your app programmatically publish messages to SNS topic. This is pretty much the main way we're going to work with it. So here we have a Ruby example. I'm just going to get my pen tool out here so we can take a quick look here. We're establishing a client. We're including the SDK up here for SNS. We have our topic ARN, we have our message, and we're just going to publish it to that topic ARN with a message. It's pretty straightforward. If you have larger messages, you'll have to use a library called the SNS Extended Client Library for Java or Python. Originally, this was only for Java. Obviously, not everybody wants to use Java, so now it's available also in Python, which can be found on AWS Labs/Amazon SNS Python Extended Client Lib on GitHub. So here's an example of it. There's a lot more going on here, I would say, because you'll have to do this through S3. But the way it works is these libraries are useful for messages that are larger than the current 256 kilobyte message, up to a maximum of 2 gigabytes. So understand that the standard messaging is 256 kilobytes. Kilobytes, yeah. Sorry, I was going to say bits. Both libraries saved the actual payload to the S3 bucket and published the reference of the stored S3 object to the SNS topic. We have message attributes. So this allows you to provide structured metadata items about the message. So here's an example of us publishing a message now utilizing the CLI as opposed to the SDK. And so we have message attributes that we're passing along here. So the supported data types here are string array, number, binary. So yeah, just additional information we can pass along. We can do batch processing. So here we are publishing multiple messages at the same time, and actually we're doing up to 10, which is what we can do. Sending messages in batches can help reduce the SNS cost by a factor of 10 because you can send up to 10 at a time together. If you want to send different messages to different kinds of subscribers, set message structure to JSON and supply a JSON file as the message. So the idea here is that we might have different types of protocols that we're trying to service, but we want it to be different for each one. So this would be the default. This is what email would see. This is what SMS would see. This is what SQS would see. So there's variation there. But there you go.